Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 23D25SFN. This is your 9/16 stud, commonly found on 7K and 8K trailer axles, with your swivel flange nut. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number 23D25. Identifying mark on it is 23D25. It could be marked something else though, so always be sure to check your measurements. Comes with a 9/16 by 18 swivel flange nut, 140 pounds torque on it, standard. I'll go ahead and measure it out because some people ask how long it is. So the overall on it is 0.84, so a little bit over 3/4 inch, and the flange itself is going to be 1.49 or 1.5 inches, and the stud is going to be 2.48, might as well call it 2.5 inches. The head on it is going to be 0.76 or 3/4 of an inch pretty much. The knurl diameter, which is most important because it needs to fit inside your hub. If it's too small, they'll fall right out. If it's too big, it's going to have a hard time pressing in. So that measurement is going to be 0.61, and then of course it's 9/16 by 18 right here, but that's going to look like 0.55 on here on the caliper. Real common stud found on Carter axles, Dexter, and Liver, and many other brands. Always be sure to check your measurements to make sure they'll work. We sell them by 1, by 8, by 100 pack, 200, 400, 600. The more you buy, more you save. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.